So you might say, well, doctor, I got a bunch of teeth missing. Fine, those can be fixed too. Depending on whether we're going to do a bridge, which is replacement teeth cemented over several implants, that's an option. Whether it involves replacing multiple teeth all throughout the arch, which with a type of implant-supported partial denture, partial meaning it replaces part of the dentition, all the way up to all the teeth are gone and we support it with implants, a complete roundhouse bridge, full set of teeth, cemented or semi-removable to restore all those teeth. Regardless of your situation, there's something in the implant spectrum that should meet your needs.